Okay guys, back on our stomping ground. Stars Bar, Calle Londres. Have a look up here, see what's changed. One place we've got to try up here. Is immerse bar. We still have not tried it. Sure it'll be good in there. Need to get in there. Seen a couple of reviews, looks really good. So yeah, we're gonna have to try that. Keep forgetting about it, it's down this end now. We're up the other end. We'll get down and give it a review. Supermarket there. Over the road you got the pub. Took ages thinking the name up. Years. It's still going.
I think so, yeah.
It does look a bit deserted from the outside. There's gates on it, or fencing on it. It's definitely not open. I wonder if it's still going. Show bar there. Oh, that's all part of the pub, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure, to be honest.
No, I think
Next door.
that's separate to that.
Yeah, it looks like it's separate, so have a look at that. There's cheapest pint in Benidorm, of course. And Grons. The only one I know that's doing it for €1 now. Good beer in there as well. What we got down here, Marcus? Missing this side. Swing you around. The hairdressers there. And the London Lounge. It's the new one since last time we've been down. But they're doing well in there. Supermarket, we're not short of supermarkets, like the Asian type supermarket. Open all day, and all night. I'm sure they're not, but hey. Right, what's that in there?
Barbers.
Barbers in there. Looking for a name. Turkish barbers, do you think? Or not? I don't know. Carpet shop there. No, that's not the carpet shop, is it? That's laundrette shop there. Doing well on this. Keep watching, there'll be more mistakes coming up. Saxo bar. Yeah, that's still open, I think.
Oh.
Beer in there. Another bar over there. And pizzas and kebabs. That's changed hand, I think. Yorkshire Pride 2. Is that back open yet or not?
Don't think so now, sadly.
Yes, I think that one just a bit out of the way, really. I don't know. Anybody knows, let me know in the comments. Drop in, I think that's open in the evenings. And the supermarket up on the top there. Marcus trying to get in the way. Pizza Steakhouse. Let's pull this back a bit. Now this used to be open in the day. I don't know whether they're having some work done or what. Very good place. Always used to be packed. It's just the name of the bar's changed. Nothing really new up here. It's just the different names of the bars. And this one, well known for where the police go for food up this way. Has that changed name or not, Marcus?
No, so fine.
Was it
La Murada.
La Murada?
Yeah.
There you go. Now that, when we used to live up here, would have been packed most of the day. Yeah, I really think they need to get them shutters up. Look at this bar over there. Looking good now. It's been through a few changes, I think. Absolutely brilliant. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.